how to clean our Velcro video series. Well, today I will be showing you the effectivity of the tools that I am using that it could clean 100% of our Velcro based on personal experience. But first, what is Velcro? For those people who haven't knew what is Velcro, based on Google research, again, I will be mentioning that Velcro fasteners are used in shoes, or sometimes you could see it in your clothing, or sometimes bags. And here, based on my experience, I am using it for that clothing to replace buttons. So usually with our trousers, jeans, we are using the buttons. Or sometimes Velcro could be used as well as laces or zippers or snaps. But here I'm using to replace here to the pantalon or trousers or jeans to replace the snaps here. Now today I am showing you how effective is this tools that it could clean 100% of your tiny fiber or hair that sticks on your Velcro. And today I am showing you how effective it is, guys. If you are someone who have seen our last video, this part has a lot of tiny fiber that is embedded in it or sticking in here. And apart from that, there were also some hair. You can see there is some hair and part of the fabric. So these are the part that I am removing from the Velcro. And of course, this is the result. So what tools I will be revealing today? It is the steel brush. It is very effective, guys, and you could, if you are following my video, you could see last time that this one is so dirty. There were more remaining fiber that is really sticking in there, although I'm trying to remove it with some other tools like what I'm showing you in my previous video. But today I will conclude that steel brush will remove 100% of fiber or tiny fiber that is embedded there. We call it some lints, or the fluff thing that's embedded in the Velcro. So these are the one that I have removed. So can't you see? It's quite dirty, guys. Those are the one that I have removed from the Velcro, and this is the result now. So that's the steel brush that I'm using is this one, and although I would not recommend much because this is quite big and maybe it might damage your fabric, but it is your choice to choose your own steel brush, and be careful in applying to your fabric because it might damage. But so far this one I use, so far it is say it is 100% clean. So that's what I'm concerned. It's 100% effectivity, guys. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, share, and comment